Welcome students. Today we are solve exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Okay, let's start. Exercise 2.1 is so simple. First question. Solve the following. Solve the following. Here first question is x minus 2 is equal to 7. So find the value of x. Here x minus 2 is equal to 7. So firstly we have to adding 2 both side. Here these numbers are cancels and left only x, and here 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. This is the value of first questions. This is answer. So we get x is equal to 9. This is x is equal to 9. Again question second same as question 1. Again question third is same as question 1 and 2. Okay. Now question number 4 is find the value of x. So 3 upon 7 plus x is equal to 17 upon 7. Here subtracting 3 upon 7 from both sides. Now these are cancelled. We get 17 upon 7 and 3 upon 7 taking LCM. So we get the answer 14 upon 7, and 14 upon 7 is equal to 2. Okay. Now question number 5. Here 6x is equal to 12. Dividing 6 on both sides. They are intersect to each other. काट देंगे आपस में एक दूसरे को. The value of x is equal to 12 by 6, which is equal to 2. So this is our answer. Same as question number 6. Here multiply by 5 from both sides. So we get x is equal to 50. Okay. Now question number 7. Here firstly we have to multiply by 3 both sides. So we get this, and after that dividing 2 from both sides. So we get x is equal to 27. Okay. Question number 8. Find the value of y. So firstly we are multiply by 1.5 from both sides. So we get the value of y is equal to 2.40. Okay. Now question number 9. Firstly we are adding 9 from both sides. So they will be cancelled, and after that we get this, and again divide by 7 from both sides. So they are cancelled. So value of x is equal to 25 upon 7. This is question number 9. Now question number 10. Here firstly we are adding 8 from both sides. So they are cancelled, and again divide by 14. So we get y is equal to 3y2. Okay. Now question number 11. Firstly we are remove 17. So subtract from 17 both sides. They will be cancelled, and the result will be 6p is equal to minus 8. Again divide by 6. So 6 and 6 are cancelled. Left p is value p is equal to minus 8 upon 6. Again we are cancelled. 2 3 is 6 and 2 4 is 8. So value of p is equal to minus 4 upon 3. This is the answer of question number 11. This is so simple exercise. Okay. Question number 2 is your homework. You have to solve on, and question number now exercise 2.2. Here is a word problem. is, if the subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, we get 1 by 8. Okay. Suppose let the number be x. According to question, when subtract from this number and multiply by 1 by 2, we get 8. Okay. So these types of equations are created. Now solve for x. Firstly, here multiply by 2 both sides, because 2 and 2 will be cancelled, and here we get 1 by 4, where here we get 1 by 4. Okay. Now the equations will be get x minus 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Again adding adding 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 both side, so they are cancelled, and left we get x, value of x is equal to 3 by 4. So this is our answer, this is required number. Clear? And question number 2, the parameter of rectangle swimming pool is this. So we know that the parameter of rectangle is equal to 2l plus b, that is 144 meter. Okay. Its length is 2 more than and twice the breadth. Okay. Here let the breadth of pool be x. Breadth of pool be x. Then length will be 2 more than and twice. So suppose this is breadth, then length is equal to 2 more than and twice and 2 more. This is length, and breadth is x then. Okay. Now put the value of length and breadth in the values of parameters. So here 154 is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. This is L and this is B. Okay. 2, this is L and this is B, equal to 154. Solve for x. x की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे यहाँ से. So we get here 154 upon 2, and similarly divide 2 here. We are solving these equations again and again. So we get x is equal to 25. So we can say easily breadth of pool is 25 and length is equal to 2x plus 2. When here x is equal to 25, so we get 25 to the 50 plus 2 is equal to 52 meter. Okay. So breadth is equal to 52 meters. So breadth is equal to 25 and length is equal to 52. This is our answer. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is sum of two numbers is 95 and one exceed the other by 15. मीन्स दो नंबरों का सम 95 है और एक नंबर दूसरे से 15 ज़्यादा है. सो नंबर फाइंड कीजिए. सपोज फर्स्ट नंबर इज x एंड सेकेंड नंबर इज x plus 15 because according to question. Now when we add both we get 95. Solve for x. Here x plus 15 is equal to 95. Solve this, so we get the value of x equal to 40. Now first number is 40 and second number is equal to 40 plus 15 is equal to 55. These are our two numbers. Okay. Now question number 5 is two numbers are the ratio 5:3. So suppose we are getting, let first number 5x and second number 3x, but differ by 18 मीन्स इनका डिफरेंस कितना आ रहा है, 18 आ रहा है. सॉल्व फॉर x, 2x इज इक्वल टू 18, 2x इज इक्वल टू 18, वैल्यू ऑफ x वी गेट 2 9 जा 18, x value of x is equal to 9. So first number is equal to 45, 9 5 is 45 and second number is equal to 3 9 is 25. This is our answer. Okay, number answer is 45 and 27. Okay. Question number 6. 3 consecutive integer. Consecutive means regular. Means suppose first number is x, then second number x plus 1 and third number x plus 2. They are consecutive numbers. 3 consecutive numbers add up to 51. What is the integers? Means 3 numbers को जोड़ें अपन, ऐड करें, so result आता है 51. So what are the integers? Okay. Suppose x plus 1 and x plus 2 are 3 integers. According to question, when we add, we get 51. Solve for x. So we are easily getting x is equal to 16. Now the integers will be, first is x, second is 70 and third is 18. Because this is x plus 1 and this is x plus 2. Okay. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of x. Multiple of x is 888. Multiple of x. So first number is 8 and second multiple x plus 8 and third multiple x plus 16, because they are the multiple of 8. Okay, and their sum. So taking sum, x plus 8, x plus 16 is equal to 888. Solve for x, we get easily x is equal to 288. Now first number is 288, again second number is getting adding 8, so 296, again third number getting adding 16, so we get 304. These are the integers who is multiple of x. Okay. Now question number is same as question number 6. Question number 8 same as question number 6 and 7. So this is your homework. Okay. Question number 9. The ages of Rahul and Harun is 5:7. Means let the age of Rahul be 5x and age of Rahul be 7x. For 4 years later, their sum of their ages will be 56. Means 4 साल बाद इनकी एजों का सम 56 हो जाता है. फाइंड देयर प्रेजेंट एज. ओके, सपोज मान लो कोई आज 10 साल का है, तो 4 साल बाद मीन्स आफ्टर 4 ईयर्स मीन्स 4 ऐड, सो उसकी एज कितनी हो जाएगी 14. नाउ सपोज वी आर let the value of the ages of Rahul be 5x, so after 4 years they become 5x plus 4 and Harun 7x, so he is become 7x plus 4. According to question, sum of their ages be 56. Okay, now solve for x, so we will get the value of x is equal to 4. Now the present age of Rahul is equal to 5x and x is equal to here 4. So we get 40, 5 4 are 20, and Harun age is 7x and x is equal to 4. So multiply 7 into 4 is equal to 28. This is the values of their present ages. Okay. Question number 10, same as question number 9. This is the ratios of boys and girls, and according to questions, the numbers of boys, okay, here numbers of boys is more than boys is 8 more than the numbers of girls. So we get, suppose x is equal to numbers of girls, so boys will be 8 plus x. Now solve for x, so we get x is equal to 20, then numbers of girls is equal to 20 and boys is equal to 28. Okay, this is our answer. Now question number 11. Question number 11 is Baicheng father is 26 years younger than Baicheng grandfather and 29 years older than Baicheng. The sum of their ages is 135. What is the age of each one? Okay, suppose the age of Baicheng is x and his father age will be x plus 29 because they are 29 elder than from Baicheng. Okay, and the age of grandfather is 26 year older than from his father. So grandfather age is x plus 29 and add in 26 more. Okay, now according to question, sum of their ages be 135. So adding all ages and solve for x, we get x value of x is equal to 17. Now 17 is the age of Baicheng, and when we add 29, this become age of father, and when we add 26 again, so this is the value of his grandfather. Okay. Question number 12, 15 years from now, आज से 15 साल बाद Ravi's age is 4 times of present age. Means रवि की एज उसकी प्रेजेंट एज से 4 टाइम्स हो जाएगी. What is their present age? So we let the present age of Ravi be x, and after 15 years they become 4x. Okay. Now according to questions, 15 years from now the age will be x plus 15. Okay. Again, according to questions, this is after 15 years age, and this is also after 15 years age from now. So they are equal. Solve for x, we get x equal to 5. So 5 is the present age of Ravi. Now question number 13 is a simple question. Here a ratio numbers is such that, suppose we get ratio numbers be x. According to question, multiply by 5 by 2 and after add 2 by 3, we get minus 7 upon 12. Okay, this is our ratio numbers, and multiply by 5 by 2 and adding 2 by 3, we get minus 7 upon 12. Solve for x, so we get x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, solve for x, we get the answers will be x is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is our ratio numbers. Okay. Now question number 14 is Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. See currencies note denominations 100, 50 and 10. The ratios of the numbers is 2, 3, 5, and Lakshmi total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh. How much the numbers of, find the numbers of notes in each. Okay. Suppose the numbers of note be 2x, 3x and 5x. Okay, because the ratios will be given ratio is 2, 3, 5. Okay, 2 is the notes of 100 and 3 is the note of 50 and 5 is the ratios of note of 10. So we can easily write this, but when we add it all, so we get 4 lakh. We get 4 lakh this. Okay, because this is total currency. Now solve for x again. We get the value of x be 1000 easily. So the numbers of note of 100 be 2 multiplied by 1000, because the ratios of 100 is equal to 2x. So 2 multiplied by 1000, 2000, easily 3000, and 10 notes of 10 is equal to 5000. These are the numbers. Okay, now question number 15 same as question number 14. So this is your homework. Okay, if you have any doubt, please see the solution. Now question number 16 is this. In this question the total sum of money is 3000. यहाँ पर जो टोटल मनी है वो 3000 से है. लेट द नंबर्स ऑफ विनर ऑफ 100 रुपीज़ 100 बी एक्स. 100 रुपीज़ जीतने वालों का नंबर्स, विनर्स का नंबर एक्स है, एंड those who are not winner they are 63 minus x, because total participants भी 63. सपोज टोटल 63 हैं, जिनमें से यदि x लोग जीतने वाले हैं तो रिमेनिंग कितने रहेंगे, इस टोटल में से ये कम हो जाएंगे. ओके, सो 63 x be a winner and 63 minus x is not a winner. Okay, according to question the sum of their price be 3000. Okay, solve for x. Here 100 multiplied by x is equal to 100x, and multiply by 23 from 63 we get 1575, and again multiply by 23 from -1 minus x we get 25x, but this is equal to 3000. Solve for x. 100 minus 25 is equal to 75x, and 1575 when go there they become minus from 3000. Okay, so we get 7x is equal to 1425, and the value of x here we find x is equal to 19. Hence the numbers of winner भी 19. इसका मतलब 19 लोग विनर हुए, तो नॉट विनर पर्सन यदि पूछते हैं तो कितने हो जाएंगे. सो वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग फ्रॉम 69. सो द नंबर्स ऑफ नॉट विनर भी 4 and here 4. Okay, means 44 नॉट विनर रहे एंड ये विनर है, ये नॉट विनर है. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. योर एक्सरसाइज 2.1 and 2. has been completed. Do in fair copy. Okay, all students, goodbye.